next one, Jessica earns 12% commission. If she sold $525 in products, what was her commission? Okay? So, again, you want to, it's a good idea to write this model out. Percent times our base equals to our amount. And you don't have to put the box in there. Okay, percent, what's that? 12, right? But you, for the problems that 90% of the times, you're never going to put 12% in the equation. You're either going to write it as 12 over 100, or you're going to write it as 0.12. There's only one time that I've ever seen where you actually put the percentage sign into a calculated problem, and that's because you're working with other percents and you end up with a percent. That's the only time, and that's almost never happens. So you always want to put, you always got to change that percentage to either a ratio or a decimal. Okay, now times our base, what's that? If she sold 525 in products, okay, what? The 525, right.
Now, it didn't say do that proportion method, so it wouldn't be wrong
Right.
if you didn't do it.
If it told you to use the proportion method, yeah, then it would be wrong if you
But
use
since it didn't,
since it did, then you can use any method you want, yeah. Alright. Okay, so equals to x. Alright, so let's see what that looks like on our calculator. So we can go ahead and change this to this 12 over 100 to 0.12 times 525. Alright, so 0.12 times 525, that's going to give us, let's go ahead and look at that. And whenever you're working with, especially like a TI calculator, good idea to go ahead and clear anything else you had from before. It's just, you don't want, you know, other things interfering with what you're good at. You know, it's a good way to get distracted. You don't want that. Okay, so that's 0.12 times 525, and we get 63. Any questions with that? Okay, and that's our answer. So she earned 63 what? Dollars, right? And when you're working with word problems, you want to look at, all right, what am I working with? Dollars, apples, you know, sheet, you know, whatever. Because you don't want to get into the habit of just punching buttons and not knowing what you're working with. Okay? So you want to get into the habit of writing down what your units are. Okay.